I'm John Alder from DIYPhotography.net. We're here on the Canon stand at the Photography Show 2025. We're going to talk about the Canon Club and Canon Pro Services. So I'm here with Jeremy of Canon at the Photography Show 2025. Tell us about Canon Club, because I didn't even know this was a thing, because I'm sorry, I don't shoot Canon.
That's absolutely fine. That's
So yeah, tell us about Canon Club.
So Canon Club is our free-to-join community and membership. All you need to do is create an account with us and have owned a Canon product at any time. It's basically a community for like-minded individuals to discuss products, photography, even interests. Any forum that you would like that you think we haven't created for you, you can even create yourself and invite anybody to join you there. Those places for like-minded individuals to share advice, tips, even photography news and things like that. We run lots of competitions. We've normally got at least 4 competitions running on different subjects for you guys to enter your photographs, and then that's a fan-voted thing. Winners can get prizes. Sometimes we even have cameras to win.
Right.
I would love to win one. I've never won one. Please vote for my photographs.
Vote for his photos.
You can also get access to our product specialists. So that's forums and talks that they run. And we even do one-on-one conversations that can be via video call if you'd like. So you can go through a new product that you've purchased, something that you're struggling with, any ideas that you need, we are here to help you out through it. And again, that's free to join, just have to own a Canon product.
So any Canon product, like
Anything
even your old point and shoots, DSLRs?
So it's run on a points scheme. So the different products that you register with us will give you different points. Just registering something, even if it's an older thing, may not give you points, but just registering it, you will get an email from us or a little notification to say, would you like to join the Canon Club? Just hit yes and accept our terms and conditions. You're in.
Well, that's fantastic and open to everybody.
Everybody.
Right, but what's not open to everybody is CPS.
CPS is
so talk to us about CPS, because I believe the rules have changed a little bit recently as well.
You heard about that?
Yeah.
So I think about 2 years ago, CPS was updated from a free membership, which has obviously been replaced by our Canon Club.
Yeah.
CPS is now based towards businesses and Canon professionals. So that's a paid for service. We've got 3 tiers, silver, gold and platinum. And that is for you to have priority repairs with us should anything go wrong. So that means that your stuff comes to us immediately, being prioritized. You get a CPS priority sticker on your box. So from minute one it comes in the door, we know that that's a priority repair with us. That's for us to keep you working as quickly as possible. Goes further than that, you get discounts on these repairs. And you even get access to our CPS loans program if you were to go for our gold or platinum memberships. That means that should we be unable to repair your items within the turnaround time we're promising you, we would give you a loan to keep you working.
Oh, fantastic. That's brilliant. So you guys have a big thing at the Olympics every 4 years as well. Is that open to all this is not including this bit, this is just me finding out. Is that open to all CPS members who come, or is it certain levels, or is it just the ones covering the show? Or
You mean we're supporting members there?
Canon shooters, yeah. Is that for all CPS members?
We send technicians to those events, not just the Olympics. I mean, we send them to all sorts. We send them to Wimbledon, to Formula One.
Oh yeah,
everywhere.
let's talk about
So
that.
we'll often send you, there's normally, from our service centre in England, but they'll send them from every place in Europe. At least 2 go to those events to keep you up and running. That's support for professional photographers on the ground.
Brilliant. So as well, Canon shows up at a lot of international events, sporting events, Formula One, the Olympics, that kind of thing. What do CPS members benefit from at those?
Yes, we keep our technicians busy. We like sending them around. So they will be there to support our professional photographers. CPS members are obviously included to keep you running on the day. Anything that goes down, we have our professional technicians and our help desk team members to try and shoot that through with you. Obviously, if that's something we can't repair for you, we have plenty of loan kit to keep you up and running on the day.
Okay, brilliant. And I know obviously this is just UK prices, but what does it cost to join CPS?
CPS, there's, as we said, 3 tiers. Our lowest is our silver membership. That's at £85 per year. Gold is 170 and platinum is 300 annually. Cascading down, that gives you a 20% discount, 15% discount, 10% discount on all repairs and services with us.
Right.
Again,
Fantastic.
cascading from platinum is 2-day turnaround time, 3, then 5. So that's your priority turnaround time with us. And again, if you're not able to meet that for platinum and gold, you get CPS loan coverage with that. Platinum goes even further. So from the get-go, if you turn up with an item that's faulty, you can request a loan from us from the start.
That's brilliant.
We do our very best to make it a like-for-like model. I'd love to say I have stock of everything and unlimited stock. Sometimes, on the rare occasions, it will be the nearest available option. But we'll always do our very best to keep you up and running.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much. It's been great to talk to you. We'll have the links to the CPS website and the Canon Club down in the description. We're going to keep wandering around the photography show and see what else we can find. Stick around.